Search and seizure is one of the biggest issues in any criminal case. Anytime I have a client who's been either arrested or cited involving either being pulled over or having a search of either their property or their belongings, search and seizure is going to be extremely important in that case. And the first question I get is, was it okay for police to pull me over? Was it okay for police to search my vehicle, to search my house? And the first question I always have in return for that client is, did you give permission? Anytime you have a search and seizure issue, it's really going to come down to three things. Was that search done with consent? In other words, did you give permission? Did you tell police it was okay to search your house, to search your car? Was that search done with a valid search warrant, even if you didn't give consent? Did law enforcement go in advance and ahead of time and go through the proper court channels and receive permission from the courts to go ahead and do a search for whatever it was they were looking for, whatever evidence they gained? Or is it a situation where there was no consent and there was no warrant and police still conducted a search based on what they're claiming is probable cause and exigent circumstances? Anytime you have a search and seizure issue, those are going to be the issues in your case. Anytime you have a case that involves a search and seizure issue, anytime you have a case that involves a situation where there's been a search of your car, a search of your house, speak with the criminal defense attorney that's handling your case. Discuss the facts surrounding your situation, discuss what options you have and what defenses you have.